Hello, beautiful people. My name is Nancy. Welcome and welcome back to this beautiful channel. For the returning subscribers, welcome once more. And for the new people here, feel at home. And if you like my content, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment so as we can continue growing this channel together. So today, guys, I wanted to slaughter a chicken for my family. Yeah, and I want to share this video together with you so as I can show you how I do it. Yeah, and then I'll cook it with rice and vegetables. So let's do this. Already I have heated the water, so here I am in the chicken house. Just a minute. Here I have my chicken. It's quite heavy. It has really eaten very well. Yeah, and it is quite heavy, so I must do the slaughtering. That one's a legs. Yeah, sometimes you feel for them. I'm through with cutting. I want to dip it in the water so as I can remove all the feathers. Yeah, and I'll do it right here.